Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the electric Israeli on FSD. If you're new, please subscribe, help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all my supporters. If you're in the market to buy a Tesla car, use my referral code. Lots of incentives nowadays with Tesla cars. It's really incredible and it's awesome. I'm in here in South Florida on my vacation, my little vacation. And yesterday was really a monumental day in the history of Tesla. I really no kidding kind of a thing. When Tesla for the first time produced, it's not quote unquote, it's produced the production version of the Tesla Cybercab. Obviously you saw many of them driving around. There's something like 20 of them driving around the United States. But this was literally the first quote unquote production model, which is very, very, very significant. It's very important that Tesla does that. And I had the pleasure and the honor 2 years ago, my wife and I, to see the first version of the Cybercab in the Tesla store in Manhattan, in the Meatpacking District, if you're interested. There's a nice restaurants around there. And I was in awe. Usually when I go see a Tesla car, even the Cybertruck, which is an incredibly amazing design and all that, I spend 20 minutes, maybe a half hour when I saw it the first time in Paramus, New Jersey. This one, I was there more than an hour. It was that incredibly the design and all that. So now, what does this mean? What does this mean? This means that it's one of millions, okay? Obviously, in the next quarter, April to June, there's going to be more production and starting slow and then fast. And then basically, this is going to be available to consumers. Now, I don't know if like an individual at the beginning can get it. Like, let's say I want to get one for myself, okay? So I don't know about that. Maybe like a company, let's say if I want to form my Robotaxi service and buy one or two or three, like a fleet of them, and to operate them, which I totally thinking about. That's possibly it. Now the specs are known. It's a 34 kilowatt hour battery, 200 miles, 0 to 60, I believe it's like 7 seconds. It's one motor. It's not going to be your performance car. This is not what it is for. It is for operating in densely populated areas, taking people from point A to point B autonomously, just like Waymo does with their Jaguars and the Chinese, the Zeekrs that they're going to get and whatever. That's what it is. Basically, it's a Robotaxi, a two-seater, where 95% of the time riders is one or two people. I know that because sometimes I do a ride share in the weekends. So that's basically what it is. Now, what in the big picture, what I think, the big picture is more interesting. The big picture is this is what Tesla is going to do. It's going to be, at least in the United States to begin with, and that is the subscription Tesla. No more quote-unquote selling cars, and it's only subscription, so you can rent a car. Right now in few states, rent a car, Tesla Model 3 and Y, $60 a day, all included, FSD included, supercharging included, insurance obviously, all in. You can rent a car, you can lease it for very low price, and then Tesla will take it away from you and unleash it on their Robotaxi network. If you own a Tesla car right now, you can unleash it later on and make money off of it. In other words, Tesla is going to move slowly out of the selling cars to leasing / renting / subscription / this. That's what, because each car can leverage so much more money, $20,000 to $30,000 a year by driving around people, because most of the time your car sits around 7, 8, 9, 10 hours a day in a parking lot doing absolutely nothing. Okay, so that will reduce the volume of cars on the road, but it will give you, it will give people the opportunity to take rides, to rent this car for this weekend and that version for that weekend. It's going to be incredible. That's not happening tomorrow. You will be able to buy a Tesla car for a long time from now, but that's where Tesla is going. And this is the beginning of that journey, the really beginning of that journey. It is an incredible car. Really, oh my God, it's really incredible. It's so comfortable. I've seen it. I was like touching it. I mean, it's the car that the Tesla version that I was impressed with the most. Now, would somebody buy it for themselves without steering wheel and just for like your consumption? I guess somebody can do it for less than $30,000. But to me, this is a car that you make a business out of it. This is a car. This is like your Turo car. Now, you know, I rent cars from Turo all the time, or Airbnb all the time. This is your Turo/Airbnb. You buy it and you let it go out there and make you money if you live in a big metropolitan area and something like that. Okay, guys, that is exciting. Thank you guys for watching.